Have you ever wondered how products move from the factory to customers on time? In every manufacturing company, there is a team working behind the scenes to make sure everything runs smoothly. This team is called logistics. But did you know that logistics is not just one job? There are many different roles, and each role is important in the whole process. Who checks the inventory? Who prepares the shipment? Who manages the delivery schedule? In this lesson, you will learn about the key roles in a logistics team and how they work together in real factory situations. Let's get started.
Hello, Lon. Welcome to the logistics department.
Hello, Nam. Thank you. I am excited to join the logistics team.
Great. Today I will explain the different roles in our logistics team.
Thank you. I want to understand the process step by step.
Good attitude. Let's start with the warehouse.
Yes, I see many people working in the warehouse.
They are the warehouse staff.
What does the warehouse staff do every day?
They receive goods, check inventory, and organize products.
How do they check the inventory?
They count items and update the tracking system.
Is the tracking system on a computer?
Yes, it shows all inventory and shipment status.
That sounds very useful for the process.
Yes, it helps reduce mistakes in the warehouse.
What happens after goods arrive?
The receiving clerk checks the goods.
What does the receiving clerk check?
They check quantity, quality, and documents.
What if the quantity is not correct?
They report to the supervisor and write a report.
I see. So documents are very important.
Yes, documents are important for all shipping and receiving.
Who prepares the documents?
Usually, the shipping coordinator prepares them.
What does the shipping coordinator do?
They arrange delivery, contact suppliers, and manage transport.
Do they also manage the schedule?
Yes, they control the delivery schedule.
What happens if the delivery schedule changes?
The shipping coordinator updates the tracking system.
That helps everyone follow the process.
Exactly. Communication is very important in logistics.
Who moves the goods inside the warehouse?
The forklift operator does that.
What does the forklift operator do exactly?
They move goods, load trucks, and unload shipments.
Is it difficult to be a forklift operator?
It needs training and good knowledge of safety rules.
Are safety rules very strict?
Yes, safety is very important in the warehouse.
I understand. Safety first.
Good. Now let's talk about planning.
Yes, who plans the whole process?
That is the logistics planner.
What does the logistics planner do?
They plan the supply chain and improve the process.
Do they work with suppliers?
Yes, together with the procurement staff.
What does the procurement staff do?
They contact suppliers and order materials.
Do they check quality too?
Yes, they check quality and price.
Do they follow the delivery schedule?
Yes, they make sure materials arrive on time.
So many roles in one logistics team.
Yes, each role is important.
How do we track all shipment?
We use the tracking system.
What information is in the tracking system?
It shows inventory, shipment status, and delivery time.
That helps control the process.
Yes, it improves efficiency in logistics.
What should I learn first?
Start with warehouse operations.
What are warehouse operations?
Receiving, storing, and preparing shipment.
I will learn about inventory and documents first.
Good plan.
Who should I ask if I have questions?
Ask your supervisor or senior warehouse staff.
Okay, I will ask my supervisor.
Also, always follow safety rules.
Yes, I will follow all safety rules.
Good. Safety is very important in every process.
Thank you for explaining all roles.
You're welcome.
I feel more confident now.
That's great to hear.
I will do my best in the logistics department.
I believe you will do well in the logistics team.
Thank you, Nam.
Welcome again to the warehouse.
Thank you. I am ready to start.
Let's begin your first task in warehouse operations.
Great job today! Now you understand the different roles in a logistics team and how each role supports the whole process. From managing the warehouse and checking inventory to preparing shipment and controlling the delivery schedule, every task is important in logistics. Remember, good communication helps the team work faster, safer, and more efficiently. Keep practicing these keywords and use them in your daily work. See you in the next lesson.